First, you must add 250 grams of cream cheese. Then, add 3 A-sized eggs and half cup of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now add 200 milliliters of whipping cream or 1 small box. Blend it all together. Spread some margarine on the cake pan if you don't have baking paper to avoid the cake to stick on the pan. Check the consistency of the batter.
Make sure the batter is smooth.
Pour the batter into the cake pan slowly. Slowly, right?
Slowly.
Now preheat the oven at 200 Celsius for 5 minutes. Then only you put the cake pan into the oven. Bake it at 200 Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes.
Done!
It is super duper yummy. We like the consistency of it and it is not so sweet, right?
Yummy! Yeah! Yummy!
Okay, bye. Bye guys.
Bye! Bye!
Bye.
Okay, bye guys.